In this Acquisition Pro onboarding video, we are going to cover how to add a VoIP phone number to your system so that you can either make outbound calls, receive inbound calls, or send SMS marketing messages, as well as ringless voicemail. First, I want to cover something from the last video we did when we updated our business profile settings. I wanted to show you how I use it for my systems. So the one thing I do is I say this is, and I put user first name. So if you have more than one user in the system, whoever is attached to that phone number, it will be their name instead of yours. If you are not receiving phone calls, it's another team member. And I say the with the only because this is the strategic acquisition certification, which is how we're naming this. But if it was your business, you would just say with your business name, which is location.name. I saw that I just missed your call. What question did you have, or how can I help? That's how we set ours up. And then I let them know this is an automated message from missing your call prior to putting to unsubscribe, reply, stop. The reason I put that is because if they try to call you multiple times and you do not receive or you do not answer the phone, they're going to get this same message every single time they call. So that's why I put this as an automated message. The next thing that I didn't talk about was call and voicemail settings. So once you've got your phone number set up, you can come in here and you can upload a voicemail. So if somebody tries to call and they don't answer, then they can leave you a voicemail. Otherwise, it's just going to be an automated message. And this allows you to change that message. And then, of course, once you upload that MP3 or WAV file, depending on whether you're on a PC or a Mac, you can save those call settings. All right, so I just wanted to cover that to finish out your business profile settings because I forgot to cover this section as well as showing you exactly how I use mine. All right, so this is that new strategic acquisition system we've been working from. So we are going to add a phone number. So if I come up here and I click just add single phone number, let this come through, then I want to filter and I'm going to search not any part of the phone number. I want first part of the number, and I'm going to search 251. This allows me to pull from the area code where I am currently located. I'm going to hit apply, and then I can search for these different phone numbers. All right, so let me find one that I like here. These numbers are not really conducive to what I want, so I'm just going to refresh the results. Ooh, I like this one. And pineapple. I kind of like that too. This would be really easy to remember, a lot of fives in it. Let's just, for the time being, I just want to use this one. And then, of course, this is going to cost me $1.15. Even if you purchase it, it's going to cost me $1.15, not you, because I do not have you guys purchase your own data. I end up covering all the data, which is part of your subscription fee. Click proceed to buy once you find a number you like. And of course, you have to register for A2P. Do not register for A2P at this time. You are not ready yet, okay? If for some reason you realized you just made a mistake and you want to edit this, you can edit that number, okay? So let's close this. Now go to the three little dots and hit edit configuration. So now we need to forward it to our primary phone number. The one thing you want to do is you want to do +1 for US. It'll get rid of that. The reason for this is some of the SMS marketing will require the +1. So if you put that in there, it makes it more valid for it. So it's going to forward to my cell phone. So I want to pass that number as a caller ID. Once you get your number verified, when you do your A2P registration, you can click this, pull this down, and that verification will be here, the numbers that have been verified. You can select from that. That way, you will not have the spam likely message on your phone. The only other thing that you need to do here is for inbound call timeout. I select that, and I like to put 10 seconds so it'll only ring 2 times, maximum of 3 before it times out and goes to voicemail. I don't want to answer this phone because I want them to get that missed call text back so that I can start that conversation with them via text. All right. It also gives me a bit of a chance to do a little bit of research on them prior to texting them back. The other thing is you may get a lot of spam calls because that happens with some of these new numbers. So this allows the system to go ahead and do that missed call text back, and you can then verify or validate it once you get the message that you've missed that call. All right, and we don't need to worry about anything else. Click Save, and once this saves, you are now set up for your phone number. In the next video, we are going to go to Sites, and we're going to go to Websites, and we're going to set up our Connect With page so that you have a form that the A2P registration folks can verify, and it will have your privacy and terms in the bottom and link to your privacy policy and terms and conditions, which will be a separate video after this one. So in the next video, we are going to update our Connect With page. I'll see you in the next video.